In Jhansi, Rashtra Raksha Samarpan Parv, the showcase of the military might has been come in this display of weapons. We can see these tanks, T-90 Bhishma tanks, and we also see how they have been upgraded with the extended mine plow, and we see all these equipments and general public, school children, youngsters, they are all coming with enthusiasm. They want to know, they want to see what is the strength of our defense forces. And let us tell you that all these weapons that are deployed on the line of actual control as well as on the western borders are quite capable. They keep the army strong and ahead. This is the T-90 Bhishma tank that has been the front runner in the battles that India has fought bravely, and it is ready for any kind of action on any border, be it the western border or the northeastern fronts. I have with me Havaldar जयवीर सर, ये बताइएगा कि यहाँ पे ये सब टैंक्स लाइंड अप हैं, लोग आ रहे हैं, क्या क्या खासियत इसकी देख रहे हैं?
ये EMP बेस्ड T-90 टैंक है जो कि माइन को क्लियर करता है ताकि आने वाला कॉलम डिले ना हो और अपनी जगह पे टाइम से पहुँच सके।
ये जो इसमें माइन प्लाव लगाया गया है, ये इसको कितना और शक्तिशाली बनाता है? ये
बाकी टैंकों से इसको शक्तिशाली इसलिए बनाता है ताकि ये माइन को क्लियर करके अपने टाइम से चलता रहे।
And there are students, there are people who are coming here and seeing what is the strength of our army. आप लोग यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, क्या देख रहे हैं और कैसा लग रहा है?
हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, वहाँ की वाइब भी बहुत अलग आ रही है।
वाइब्स अलग आ रही है, मन कर रहा है कि आप भी जो है देश की सेवा करें।
हाँ, हमारा बहुत मन है। अभी हम देखें आर्मी भर्ती वगैरह देख रहे हैं हम, और इसमें मतलब सब कुछ दिखा रखा है, इसमें मेडिकल वगैरह भी आपको आगे देखने के लिए मिल जाएगा।
In Jhansi, when we celebrate the Raksha Samarpan Parv, we also see the strength of India's defense forces, and what you see here are the latest weapons that have been developed indigenously in ARD Pune. And let us understand more about these weapons. Sir, ये जो weapon है, what is the speciality of this?
The speciality of the weapon is to engage the target around the corner without exposing a firearm.
What is it called?
It is called a corner shot weapon system. This is a 9mm carbine, 9mm machine pistol you can say, and which has most importantly it is 1 month back only it has been developed. They are also made in 5 numbers. JVPC is a joint venture protective carbine which fires up to 200 meters. It is a basic, the reliability of the weapon system is 99.96%. This has been already inducted and order has been placed to MHA.
And these two guns also?
Yeah, this is a very recent development of 5.56 CQB carbine, which is firing a INSAS existing ammunition, which fires up to 200 meters. The weight is very less than INSAS. The 7.62 into 51 millimeter caliber LMG is there. The basic difference of all the weapons with the LMGs is a high power gun, which fires up to 800 meters, which fires a belt of 2,500 numbers of ammunition.
The DRD Gwalior, the Defence Research Development Establishment, this is the only laboratory in the country which is working for the defence against the chemical and biological agents. So in the Atmanirbhar Bharat, we have developed the indigenously chemical agent monitor systems as well as automatic chemical agent detection and alarm systems, which is being taken up by the L&T Defence as the development cum production partner as well as the production agencies. So this will reduce the import and this will be produced totally indigenously in the country.
People closer to the defense forces, and what you see out here is the simulator of Su-30 fighter airjet of the Indian Air Force, one of the most lethal aircrafts of the Indian Air Force. This simulator has been put out for educational purposes and for people to know how it feels and how challenging it is for a pilot who is flying the Indian Air Force's fighter air jet, bringing people closer to the defense forces so that we all acknowledge, stand tall with our pilots and with our defense forces. With Vijay Abhishek, this is Shivani Sharma reporting for Republic from the simulator of Su-30 aircraft.